Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. Today we're taking a look at the future of drones with DJI's upcoming releases for 2025. If you're into drones and tech, you're going to love this one. We're covering the newest leaks, rumors, and expert insights to see what DJI could be launching next year, from smarter AI to upgraded cameras and longer flight times. There's a lot to look forward to. DJI always sets the bar high, and this new lineup might bring some major innovations. Maybe we'll get drones with extended battery life better, obstacle sensors, or a new compact pro model built for serious creators. We're breaking it all down so you'll know what's coming and what might be worth the wait. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you stay updated on all our latest tech news, reviews, and deep dives. Now let's jump in and explore what DJI might have planned for 2025. Number 6. The DJI Avatar 3 is made for people who want smooth close-up flying. It's a cine hoop-style drone now, better than ever. It has a strong 4K camera that captures sharp, bright footage, with great detail even when flying fast or turning hard. HDR support is a big upgrade. It helps in tough lighting by keeping detail in shadows and highlights. You can also shoot at different frame rates like 60 or 120 FPS to fit your style. The drone is solid but light. It has ducted fans to protect the props, letting you fly close to people or tight spaces safely. Even beginners can handle a few bumps without worry. The Avatar 3 is fast and very responsive. It offers normal, sport, and full manual modes for different flying styles. Manual mode lets you do tricks and tight moves. Battery life is better too, with around 20 minutes of flight time and fast charging to get back in the air. Quicker safety features like obstacle sensors and return to home help prevent crashes and losing the drone. It also follows geofencing rules. Pair it with goggles and a motion controller for an immersive flying experience, or use the standard controller for more setup options. Strong signal, Find My Drone feature, and easier repairs make the Avatar 3 fun, reliable, and creator-friendly in a compact package. Number 5. The design of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro stays compact and smart. It folds small enough to fit in a backpack, perfect for traveling. The strong body feels durable without being too heavy. A little heavier than before, but better for balance and stability in windy conditions. Quieter propellers make flights smoother and less noisy, helping with clean audio and peaceful flying. The camera is a major upgrade. A new 4/3-inch Hasselblad sensor captures 20 megapixel stills and 5.7K video at 60 frames per second. Shots look sharp with rich colors even in low light. It has a variable aperture from f2.8 to f11, giving you better control in different lighting. The new AI focus system locks onto fast-moving subjects like dogs or cars and keeps them sharp. 10-bit D-Log and Apple ProRes support offer more flexibility when editing, while the upgraded zoom keeps distant shots. Crisp battery life is impressive with up to 50 minutes per flight, plus faster speeds up to 45 miles per hour and better wind resistance. OCU Sync 4.0 delivers a strong 4K live feed. Up to 15 kilometers, the obstacle avoidance now has full 360-degree sensing for safer flights, along with smart return to home and emergency landing features. Smart flight modes like Active Track 5.0, Master Shots 2.0, and Waypoints 3.0 make capturing pro-level shots easy. The Mavic 4 Pro is a major upgrade built for serious creators. Number 4. The DJI FPV2 is built for people who want more from flying. It's about speed, control, and capturing every moment perfectly. It can hit up to 90 miles per hour in manual mode, one of the fastest in its class. You get 3 modes: normal, sport, and manual. Normal is great for beginners, sport adds speed and control, and manual gives full control for pro moves. An improved motor and propeller system gives smoother flights and sharper turns, perfect for racing or filming action. The camera now has a 1/1.3-inch sensor, shoots 4K at 120 frames per second, and supports high dynamic range. Colors pop and videos stay sharp even during fast moves. The f2.0 aperture helps with low light, so dusk and dawn flights look clear and detailed. Rocksteady 3.0 stabilization keeps videos smooth even during sharp turns. The aerodynamic design improves battery life and speed. Stronger materials make it more durable. LED lights and stronger propeller guards improve safety for low light and tight spaces. The DJI Goggles 3 offer higher resolution, brightness, and lower delay, creating an immersive flying experience. You can control the drone with the DJI Motion Controller, 2 for natural movements, or the FPV controller, 3 for manual precision. Battery life is up to 25 minutes, with faster charging and better heat control. Improved obstacle detection and return-to-home features. Boost safety overall, the FPV2 is faster, stronger, and more fun to fly. Number 3. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to stay under 250 grams, meaning you can fly it without a license in many countries. DJI might use stronger materials to keep it tough, light, and easy to carry. The drone's shape could change a bit for better wind handling. Improved motors and propellers might help it stay steady even in rough weather. The camera could be the biggest upgrade. Some leaks suggest a new 1-inch sensor, while others mention a better 1.3-inch sensor. Either way, expect better low-light shots and sharper images. The lens might have a wider opening for more light, helping in tricky lighting and giving nicer, blurry backgrounds. For video, the Mini 4 Pro already had 4K at 60 fps, but the Mini 5 Pro might hit 4K at 120 fps for smooth, slow motion. A 10-bit color option could make editing more professional. Battery life might pass 40 minutes, and charging could be faster with a new smart charging hub. Obstacle sensing could get full 360-degree coverage, making flights safer. Active track might improve too, keeping subjects in focus even when they move fast. DJI might also add better app tools for quick editing and sharing, making the Mini 5 Pro perfect for travelers, creators, and casual flyers. Number 2. The DJI Neo 2 could be a game-changer with a super smart eye flight system that helps it dodge obstacles and fly smoother without needing constant input, perfect for crowded or complex areas. Rumors say it might have a new real-time chip, allowing quicker decisions mid-flight. This would help beginners and pros alike. Battery life could hit up to 60 minutes, meaning longer jobs like inspections or filming. Without stopping to recharge, it might also get a new propulsion system, reaching speeds of 65 miles per hour while staying stable, ideal for action shots or fast-moving subjects. The new controller might have a built-in screen, no phone needed, and a better grip plus a bigger battery for longer sessions. Photo and video could see a big boost too, with a 1-inch sensor taking 20 megapixel shots and filming 5.4K at 60 frames per second, plus an adjustable aperture and 10-bit color profiles for more creative control. Connectivity upgrades like UIFi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 could mean better range and faster transfers. Working smoothly with the DJI Fly app. Safety looks improved with 6-way obstacle sensing and smarter AI features. New smart modes like Active Track 5.0 and Point of Interest 4.0 could make creative flying even easier if true. The Neo 2 could be a top pick for pros and hobbyists alike. Number 1. The DJI Flip 2. Let's start with the design because that's one of the biggest highlights of the Flip 2. It keeps the foldable body, but now it's smaller and more durable. It measures around 300 by 300 by 80 millimeters opened and weighs less than 250 grams, super light and easy to fly without much setup. The propellers are fully enclosed for safety, cutting through the air with less drag so flights feel smoother inside, is a 1/1.3-inch sensor. Capturing 4K HDR video at 60 frames per second, your shots come out sharp and colorful. It supports RAW photo formats and has an 82.1-degree field of view, plus 4 times digital zoom for wide or close-up shots. The 3110 mAh battery gives about 30 minutes of flight time, and the new charging hub powers multiple batteries at once. AI upgrades like Active Track keep subjects centered without manual adjustments, and quick shot modes like Droney, Rocket, Circle, and Helix capture cinematic shots. Easily new lead lights help with visibility at night or low light, plus better connectivity keeps your video clear even when far away. The controller has a new ergonomic design for better comfort. Bundles will range from basic to full kits with extras like remote, extra batteries, and filters. If leaks are accurate, the Flip 2 could be one of the best portable drones for casual and pro users alike. That's a wrap on DJI's rumored 2025 drone lineup. If these leaks are true, we could see some of the biggest changes yet. Imagine flying with more precision, getting cinematic shots easier, or having smarter flight controls. DJI has always led the way in drone innovation, and these rumors suggest they have even more surprises coming soon. Which new feature excites you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you like this deep dive, make sure to subscribe to Factic. We cover all the latest drone updates, tech reviews, and comparisons, so you never miss a thing. We've got more exciting content coming soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.